What's up, guys? I'm helping my dad with a job today, and yeah, so maybe my future job, and I thought I'd show you these. It's Gentex SHGs. Strobe was kind of bumpy, look at what you see there. And yeah, there's a lot of good stuff here. I just can't show the panel, that's all. Be back in a second. Old heat detectors. And Chemtronic heat detectors, which I see none. If you can see in that door, Spectral or Advanced, there's a couple of them. Oh, there's one. Very poorly mounted, it's hanging off the ceiling. Sprinklers. Yeah, I'll get to the poles. Not sure that you care about this thing, but just thought you'd really be interested. Little call switch to activate that. Nice little conduit. But it switches. I guess I didn't give you a good look at the SHG, just for safety's sake. Take a look. Look at the average size, I'm not sure. You notice strobe right here is bumpy-ish. Maybe because it's an older model. Fire. Oh yeah, the pull stations are FCI MS2s. Yeah. And I was told that those simplex fire bells are wired up to like a paging system. Don't know which was that's used for that. But yeah. Oh, cool old water fountain. Apollo Gamewell smoke detector, so Gentex heat detector. What's the model number on this? Pretty sweet bell. It's only a 6-inch. See now. Yeah, that sounds like a 6-inch. Oh yeah, nice exit sign. Another one. These. Matching remote screw. Old telephone things. There's the panel, I think. I'm not sure. There's another one. I'll show you that too. Dig this old radiator. BG10, nothing fun there. Oh, look at this. Okay. There's one. 30 candela, what do you want? Get the kids epilepsy? Oh, what's this? I don't know what that is, tell me, please.
Do it with.
Yep. Am I correct in assuming this is the panel? I'm pretty sure. That's pretty much it now, finally. Oh yeah, and that,